Hello everyone, today we're going to break down one of the fastest growing crypto exchanges of the past year, Blofin. This is not just a trading platform, but a full ecosystem focused on futures, automation, and Web3. What makes Blofin stand out? Blofin is rapidly gaining momentum thanks to high liquidity and low fees, well-designed account structure and simple security settings, powerful trading bots and convenient copy trading, a branded Web3 wallet, and its own payment card. The exchange runs stably. Orders are executed quickly, the interface is clean and logical. Everything is built for comfortable trading and everyday crypto use. Bonuses for new users. With promo code CryptoPump1000, generous privileges are available. Futures bonuses for deposits starting from $100, up to $1,000 bonus for deposits of 10,000 USDT, plus VIP status for 30 days. We'll go through all the bonus details at the end of the video. I'll show you how to get the maximum privileges. The link to Blofin is already waiting in the description, so don't miss it. Today we'll walk through everything Blofin offers: registration and deposit, trading and trading bots, copy trading, Web3 wallet, earn, security, bonuses. I'll show everything step by step so it's clear even for beginners. Blofin continues to expand its ecosystem with built-in Web3 wallet, one-click spot converter, automated trading bots, enhanced copy trading with full trader statistics. Everything is gathered in a single interface. Convenient, clear, and without unnecessary steps. Blofin is a platform for those who value speed, simplicity, and favorable conditions. It's equally suitable for beginners and active traders who want to work in a clean, stable interface and get the most out of every trade. Registration on Blofin. Getting started with Blofin is super easy. Registration takes less than a minute and immediately unlocks access to all the exchange's features. Follow the link in the description. This is our official partner link with promo code CryptoPump1000, which activates bonuses and improved conditions. Click the register button in the top right corner. Choose your preferred method, email or phone. Enter your details and create a strong password. Confirm registration with the code sent to your email or phone. Done. You're inside your personal account, where you can set up security and fund your balance. Don't forget to check the description under the video. We've gathered all the essentials there. Bonuses and promo codes, our Telegram chat, the best exchanges and wallets for working with crypto. Everything in one place, so it's convenient for you to start and grow. After registration, the very first step is always account protection. This is the foundation of your work on the exchange. Security here is not a formality, but a real shield for your funds. How to enable 2FA. Hover over the profile icon in the top right corner and open the Security Center. Select Google Authenticator and click Bind. Scan the QR code with the app on your phone. Enter the 6-digit code, and two-factor authentication is instantly activated. Save the backup key. It will be useful if you lose access to your phone. What does this give you? From this moment, login, withdrawals, and any account changes will only be possible through a one-time code. Even if someone learns your password, without 2FA access to your account remains closed. In the Security Center, you can enable extra protection levels: email confirmation for operations, trading password, withdrawal protection. But the main rule never changes. Two-factor authentication, 2FA, must always be enabled. Only after this can the account be fully used and you can move on to the next steps. Verification, KYC, on Blofin. Most functions are available without verification, but if you need higher limits, participation in P2P, additional fiat methods, maximum security level, it's better to complete KYC right away. The process takes only a few minutes. Step by step, click the profile icon in the top right corner. Select Identity Verification. Enter your country of residence. Choose a document: passport, ID card, or driver's license. Upload a photo of the document and take a selfie. The system will automatically verify the data. Enter your residential address and submit the application. Verification usually takes from a few minutes to an hour. Once confirmed, the status verified appears along with expanded limits and additional deposit withdrawal methods. We've gathered all the most important materials for you in the description under the video. Top exchanges, reliable wallets, and services with exclusive bonuses. Check it out so you don't miss anything, and start with maximum advantages. Depositing funds on Blofin. After registration and setting up security, you can move on to funding your account. Blofin offers 3 convenient deposit methods: cryptocurrency, bank card, and online exchangers. The interface is extremely simple, so even beginners can easily figure it out. Method 1. Deposit with cryptocurrency. Perfect if you already own crypto. Hover over the Assets menu at the top and select Deposit. Choose the coin, for example USDT. Select the network, TRC20, BNB chain, or another. Copy the deposit address provided by the system. Go to your wallet or another exchange and send funds to this address. Important: the sending network must fully match the deposit network. If you choose the wrong network, funds will be lost. After transaction confirmations, the cryptocurrency will automatically appear in your balance. Method 2. Purchase with bank card. This option is suitable if you don't yet have crypto and want to buy it directly. In the top menu, select Buy Cryptocurrency. Available options depend on your country, usually payment by bank card or through providers. Enter the amount, choose the coin, most often USDT. Enter your card details and complete the payment. The cryptocurrency will automatically be credited to your account. Method 3. Deposit via exchangers. A universal option if card purchases are unavailable or you want a better rate. Follow the link to the exchanger aggregator in the description under the video. In the left column, select your bank or payment system. In the right column, choose the cryptocurrency, for example USDT, TRC20. Pick an exchanger with a high rating and a suitable rate. On the exchanger's site, paste your Blofin deposit address and make the transfer through your bank. Within a few minutes, the coins will arrive in your balance. Withdrawing funds from Blofin. Withdrawing funds is just as simple as depositing. Select the coin and network, paste the recipient's address and amount, confirm the operation via 2FA. After blockchain confirmations, the crypto will be credited to the specified address. Through exchangers, the process mirrors deposits. Create a request, send coins, and receive payment to your card. Spot trading on Blofin. Spot trading on Blofin is the simplest way to buy and sell cryptocurrency at the current price or at a price you set yourself. The interface is intuitive, so even beginners can easily understand it. How it works. In the top menu, select Spot. The trading terminal opens with a chart, order book, and trade form. Find the trading pair you need, for example, BTC USDT, or choose any other coin from the list. Two main order types are available: market order, executed instantly at the current price; limit order, you set the price, and the order is executed once the market reaches it. Enter the amount or number of coins and click Buy or Sell. Once executed, the asset immediately appears in your spot account. Everything is transparent and convenient. Futures trading on Blofin. Futures on Blofin allow you to open longs and shorts, use leverage, and profit both from rising and falling markets. The interface is simple, order execution is fast, and fees are among the lowest in the segment, making trading comfortable even for beginners. How to open the terminal. In the top menu, select Futures. A workspace opens with a chart, order book, and trade management panel. Margin settings. Cross margin. Your total balance covers all positions. Flexible, but risk is higher. Isolated margin. Risk is limited only to the amount allocated for the trade. Optimal for beginners. Leverage. Blofin offers leverage up to 150, depending on the pair. Beginners are recommended to use minimal leverage, 2 to 5. The higher the leverage, the faster liquidation can occur. Order types. Market order. Instant execution at the current price. Limit order. Activated when the market reaches the specified price. Trigger order. Stop trigger. Entry on breakout. Activation price. Execution price. Trade protection. When opening a position, always set. Stop loss. To limit losses, take profit. To lock in profits. Both levels can be adjusted at any time after opening the trade. After all settings, simply choose long if you expect growth, short if you expect a decline. Position management on Blofin. After opening a trade, it appears in the bottom panel of the terminal. This is where you control your position. In one block, you can see everything important: current profit or loss, liquidation price, margin, leverage, and protection levels. Main actions: adjusting stop loss and take profit. Click directly on the level in the position panel and enter new values. Convenient for moving the stop to break even or locking in higher profits. Increasing position size. Open another order in the same direction, long to long or short to short. The exchange automatically merges trades and recalculates position parameters. Reducing position size, click Close Position and choose a percentage, 25, 50%, or any other. The selected portion is instantly fixed. Full closure. The trade closes instantly in one click with no delays. The Blofin Futures terminal works quickly and reliably, data updates in real time, and trade management runs smoothly even during sharp market moves. Want to learn how to confidently manage your investments and trade without unnecessary complications? We've gathered all the most useful content in our Telegram channel. Simple explanations, real strategies, and trade breakdowns in plain language. The link is waiting for you under the video. Join us and start leveling up together. Copy trading on Blofin. Copy trading is the opportunity to connect to the strategies of successful traders and automatically replicate their trades. On Blofin, everything is designed to be as simple as possible. The section is located in the top menu, Copy Trading. How it works. At the top, you'll find two tabs. Leaderboard. Top traders ranked by ROI, stability, and assets under management, AUM. All traders. A full list of strategies where you can discover new ideas or conservative traders with low drawdowns. For each trader, key metrics are displayed: 30-day profitability, maximum drawdown, total AUM, Sharpe ratio, ROI chart to assess trading stability. Connecting to a trader. Click View to open the trader's personal page. There you'll find trade history, statistics, performance charts, trading pairs, and strategy details. If the trader's style matches your risk profile, click the Connect button and specify the amount you want to allocate for copying. Once activated, all of their new trades will automatically be mirrored in your account. Risk settings. Blofin provides flexible tools for protection. Limit the maximum trade size, set a loss limit, auto-stop copying in case of heavy drawdown. These parameters help preserve your deposit and keep trading under control. The copy trading interface on Blofin is clean and fast. In just a couple of minutes, you can select a reliable trader and connect to their strategy. Trading bots on Blofin. In the Trading Bots section, under the Futures menu, you can launch automated strategies that run 24/7 and help you profit from market fluctuations. At the top, you'll see overall P&L, assets, and bot runtime, all statistics at a glance. Below is the Create My Bot block, where different strategy types are available. Types of strategies. Grid bot, buys during dips and sells during rises, ideal for volatile coins. DCA bot, averaging bot that gradually builds a position with small amounts. Signal bot, automatically opens trades based on signals, without manual entries. Twap bot, splits a large order into smaller ones, reducing slippage. All bots can be customized manually. Choose the pair, range, leverage, amount, and strategy parameters. After setup, simply click Create, and the bot starts working. AI bots on Blofin. There's a separate section for ready-made AI bots with verified profitability. Each bot card shows APR up to plus 250%, strategy type, grid, DCA, behavior model, bearish, moderate, aggressive, price step, take profit, and number of orders. Launching is extremely simple. Just click Create Now and the bot starts working. At the bottom of the page, there's a guide section, mini tutorials for each bot type. A great starting point for beginners to quickly understand automated strategies. All active bots are displayed in a separate tab. Here you can stop a strategy, change settings, view statistics for each grid, close only profitable trades, or end the bot completely. Blofin bots run stably, the interface is fast, and management is intuitive. Everything is under control in just a couple of clicks. Blofin Earn. In the Earn section, you can place your coins to earn interest and receive passive income. For new users, special products with higher rates are available. A full list of coins is presented below: USDT, BTC, ETH, XRP, and more. Each coin shows APR, annual yield, product type, flexible. You can withdraw funds at any time. Fixed, higher yield, but with a predetermined term. Simply choose the coin, select the term, and confirm the placement. Interest is credited automatically. Blofin Web3 Wallet. Blofin has its own Web3 wallet, a convenient app where you fully control your assets. Private keys are stored only with you, meaning access to funds does not depend on the exchange or third-party services. Key features: instant cross-chain swaps, no bridges, gas fees, or delays. Exchange crypto between networks in one click. For example, swap USDT to SOL or BTC to ETH. Liquidity aggregator. The wallet automatically selects the best rate and optimal transaction route from top exchanges and DEX. Simple interface. Sending, receiving, history, and balance are clear even for beginners. Additional options. Section for passive income and analytics. Daily yield, portfolio growth, asset distribution. Staking and ready-made earning strategies directly inside the wallet. Full compatibility with the Blofin card. Store crypto, exchange it, and spend it just like with a regular card. The Blofin Web3 wallet is a safe and convenient solution for those who want to store and use cryptocurrency without restrictions or complicated settings. If you have questions or want to dive deeper, join our exclusive referral chat. There we share experience, answer in detail, and guide you step by step. The link is already waiting for you under the video. Blofin offers a convenient app for iOS and Android, which almost fully mirrors the functionality of the web version. The interface is light, fast, and uncluttered. Everything opens in a fraction of a second. App features: spot trading, futures, trading bots, copy trading, deposit and withdrawal, earn for passive income, Web3 wallet, portfolio analytics. Speed and convenience. Orders are executed just as quickly as in the browser, with no delays or freezes. You can open a trade, adjust stops, fund your balance, check bot statistics, or connect to a trader in just a couple of taps. The app runs stably even on weaker devices. If you often trade from your phone, the Blofin mobile app is a truly convenient tool, fast, stable, and fully functional in any format. Security on Blofin. The level of protection on Blofin matches that of leading global crypto exchanges. The platform uses modern security systems and operates stably even under heavy load. No lags or freezes interfere with trading. Main security elements: two-factor authentication, 2FA, mandatory for login and all key actions. Access to funds remains only with the owner. Proof of reserves, regular public confirmation that the exchange stores all user assets in full and secures them at a 1-to-1 ratio. Additional control levels: trading password, account activity notifications, advanced security settings. Blofin gives you confidence that your account and funds are reliably protected. Here, security is not just a feature, it's the foundation of the entire platform. Blofin bonuses and referral program. Blofin generously supports new users. With promo code CryptoPump1000, you unlock the full package of privileges. First deposit bonuses from 100 USDT plus 20 USDT bonus, from 500 USDT plus 100 USDT, from 1000 USDT plus 200 USDT, from 2500 USDT plus 500 USDT, from 10,000 USDT plus 1000 USDT bonus. The first 300 registered users additionally receive a $10 voucher, and all new users are granted VIP 1 status for 30 days. All bonuses on Blofin are futures-based, and most importantly, all profits can be freely withdrawn. Only the net deposit into the futures account is counted, and it must be held for at least 2 to 3 days for the bonus to be validated. Referral program. In your personal account, you'll find a referral link. Invite friends and earn a percentage of their fees. It's a simple way to create passive income directly inside the platform. How to get the most out of Blofin? Register using the link in the description, enter the promo code, and activate your bonuses along with VIP status. And to make sure you don't miss new features and breakdowns, hit like, subscribe, and check the description. There you'll find our Telegram, top exchanges, and wallets. Everything valuable is gathered for you in one place. So, let's wrap it up. Blofin is a modern and fast exchange that's equally convenient for both beginners and active traders. Here you'll find everything you need. Simple interface, deep liquidity, low fees, powerful futures, trading bots, copy trading, Earn, Web3 wallet, and a full-featured mobile app. The platform runs stably even during periods of high volatility, while security remains top level. 2FA, proof of reserves, and additional protection layers. Start with an advantage. Want to get the most out of Blofin? Follow the link in the description, enter promo code CryptoPump1000, and claim your futures bonuses plus VIP status for 30 days. Still have questions? Our Telegram chat is always open. There we explain everything in simple terms and help you set up trading to fit your needs. Thanks for watching until the end. Support the video with a like, subscribe to the channel, and see you in the next episodes, where we'll share even more useful tips and strategies.